Hello, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on Aquaba Canada. Thank you so much every time for supporting us. We really appreciate your support so far. If you're new to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe and like our videos and ensure that you share our videos with your friends, your contacts, and everyone that needs to get some information passed to them. And for those who are just part of the subscribers ship of our channel, we say thank you so much for being part of us, and we thank you for the support. Don't forget to send your comments, likes, and every suggestion that you have for new ideas, and we'll be glad to touch on it. So I'm really excited for today because we're going to be starting our finance series. And you remember we sent a few shorts around trying to touch base on this new series that we're bringing to you. And in the finance series, there will be different episodes that we would bring to you. So today's session will be the part one, what I call the part one of a finance series. And so we want to thank you so much for taking time to join us here. The essence is to be able to enlighten as many of us in different ways that we could help support our personal finances, our investments, and other borrowing solutions that are available to us whilst we are here in Canada. And especially we are looking at targeting our newcomers. So newcomers coming to Canada with different perception of how things are done, which is slightly different from what we are used to back home in wherever we're coming from, whether it's in Brazil, whether it's in Latin America, whether it's in Africa, whether it's in Asia, whether it's in Europe. We would have come from a different background, and there are a few things that when provided to you helps you make the best financial decision, and it helps you also grow in your personal life and your finances as well. So join me on this first part as we explore the various ways to be able to help better what we already have in mind. So in this first series, which is the part one series, we're going to be talking about your personal banking solutions or basic banking solutions that are offered to you when you come to Canada. If you're new to Canada, there are various solutions that are offered to you in terms of helping you to be able to set up other banking solutions. Now, every newcomer that comes to Canada, within the first 1 year to 3 years, you are considered a newcomer. So within the first 1 year to 3 years, you are considered a newcomer. And there are various newcomers program that most banks or major banks that we have rolled out. All you need to do is to be able to ask and read online. In most cases, these informations are available on their website. So you would see the newcomers program and they will tell you what it entails. So today I'll just give you a headlights of what to expect as a newcomer. So as a newcomer, first off, most banks offer a banking solution to you in the first year for free without any bank charges. So if it is, we would have checking account, which most of us are aware of as current account from where we come from. Say West Africa, we call it current account. Over here, it's checking account. Now, in those accounts, you can also have student accounts. If, for instance, you are an international student, student account also offers you unlimited wide range of services where you wouldn't have to pay for any banking fees so long as you are a student. So most programs that we have here would run from either 1 year program, a 2 year program, or 3 year program, or 4 years, whichever you have. So those programs also ensures that you get free banking services without paying any charges. All you would need to be able to get these services will provide you educational materials in terms of your study permit, your proof of enrollment from your school or confirmation of enrollment to be able to get this service. Now, in this service as well, you would be provided with what we call a savings account. So different banks have different savings account types that they have to help you save. And so the saving habit starts when you come into Canada the first few months. You're encouraged to kind of save because there are a lot of things that you will be looking at doing whilst you are schooling or whilst you have other projects. So for students, the student banking solutions that offers you bank account for free. If you're a newcomer that came in as a permanent resident with your family, you also are entitled to a free bank account. Most banks also offer that you don't pay for the banking fees, mostly for the first year, way above 6 months. All you need to be able to get this service is to be able to provide your permanent resident confirmation document to show that you're a permanent resident. Regardless whether you have a job or not, you're entitled to get this in most cases. And also for permanent residents as well, you would get other banking solution like savings account that you can help you save money whilst you are here with your family and trying to put things together and trying to set up everything that you need to do to be able to get to that. So today in our first series, we talked about the basic banking solutions, and the basic banking solutions are the newcomers program that you usually would get if you're a newcomer. The student program that you would get, account for free if you're a student, the checking account that you get as a permanent resident or foreign worker. If you come here as a foreign worker and you're on work permit, you're also usually offered this program as well. You need to inquire about it and you need to look up and read for it. There's also a savings account that most banks have that has no charges, that helps you to save, and you can save for different goals and different targets. We hope this session was good enough to help you, and we're looking to take you on from this to another session. In part 2, we'll cover investment and different ways to help you invest for your project and for your other short, medium, or long-term goals. Thank you so much for being part of this session today, and thank you so much for joining us in our finance series. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, Akwaaba Canada. And also, if you're already a subscriber, we encourage you to share our video with others so that they can learn. We encourage you to like our videos, and whilst you're liking them, don't forget to share your comments and don't forget to share your feedback, and let us all build a better brand for you. Thank you, and once we meet again, we'll say bye-bye for now.